this. Now you have to preheat it. At exactly 320. Five, my bad. Five. Now we separate them and roll them. Now you got them all rolled out. Sorry, we have a lot because we're big bags. Now you add the finishing touches. Finish glass. Now we put it in the oven after it's done preheating, of course. In the oven. While it's baking, we eat the cookie dough. Yay! Boom, baby, we're done.